When I'm traveling, I like to bring my big black bag from Guess. My first essential is food. Gotta have me some more Pop-Tarts. Next is my mini-sized hand sanitizer and lotion to keep my hands soft and germ-free. Of course, water. Then I have my phone and my iPad so I can listen to some Lana Del Rey while playing Sudoku. Or my favorite game, Temple Run 2. This game is very addicting. Vaseline to keep my lips moisturized. Oil blotting sheets for when I get off the plane. And you can't forget gum. And then bring your favorite book since you have time on your hands. And these are my airplane essentials. My go-to traveling outfit is something comfy but cute. I have my favorite juicy jacket to keep me warm and my multicolored flannel with my bright pink shirt tucked into some denim jeans. Oh yeah, moonwalking fail into my favorite combat shoes from Guess. Then you have me struggling to get my feet into my shoes. Now it's time for my on-the-go makeup. First, I'll be removing all of my makeup with my makeup removing wipes so my pores don't clog. Then I'll be moisturizing my skin since the plane recycles air, so this is very important. Don't forget to blend it to your neck. BB cream is everyone's BFF if you're traveling. It's very lightweight and keeps your skin moisturized. Apply this all over your face and blend it to your neck. You can also double this up as concealer, so no need to lug around an extra item in your bag. For eyes, I'll be using a white shadow to make my eyes brighter. Apply this to your inner corners and all over your lids. Then curl your lashes. Apply mascara to make your eyes even more awake. For my lips, I'm be using a tinted lip balm since it's not heavy and it moisturizes your lips while giving it color. With my mini traveling comb, you just want to comb your hair to get rid of any tangles. Then just create a side braid to make it look like you had effort to do your hair. Tie it off and then voila! Your easy traveling hair is done. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment down below, and I'll see you guys later.